no, please, please, no, no, please, no, please, no.
This is my favorite meal to make.
Hey, please, stop wasting the cheese balls, stop putting the Monterey Jack cheese, and stop wasting the milk!
Follow that up with a stick and a half.
Stop put the butter in this disgusting recipe because the people are getting mad!
And start to stir and
What is that?
cook for 1 more hour on high.
1 more hour? There will be a Russian nuclear bomb!
Time to put it all together.
Ew, that's disgusting cheese.
Top with some bacon.
No, why did you put the parsley and bacon?
Take a bite and enjoy.
Wait, is that a Kazakh Americana? This is very atrocious. I'm gonna give 0 out of 0. This is too disgusting.